matched up with red eye.
Disclaimer, this video is AI generated. Nothing you see is real. Please don't try at home.
What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And actually right now, I'm pretty excited for the video we're about to record. I'm on my way to street legal dragway. If you guys don't know what that is, it's a drag strip down in Paris, California. Totally legal. Everything's legal in this video. Everything's in a closed environment. We're going to a legal drag strip. We're gonna see what's out there. I'm not even gonna lie, we do have like a 2-hour car ride. Let me just show y'all this real quick though, cause we're like literally stopped in traffic. We've been like this for like 5 minutes, and it says we got like 40-50 minutes left of just this. So I'm gonna hit y'all back once we're there, but I'm excited. I don't know if y'all can tell, but yeah, we're on the road right now. I'm gonna hit y'all back. Alright, y'all, stop for gas. We're on E, but we just filled up. Look at this gas station. Those guys got a whole TV and stuff. I never seen one like that. Look at this the whole gas station is kind of weird to me. It's kind of structured a little bit funny. First ever time that I'm gonna race on the track, y'all. I'm pretty nervous, but I'm excited, to be honest. I'm really excited to see how his AMG is about to perform. So I was gonna take my C43 to the track, but I wasn't eligible yet. So this is my first ever time racing down in Paris. Alright, we just made it to the drag strip. We're waiting in line to pay and stuff. I already seen a red eye. There's a CTSV right in front of me. I hear some big motors, so I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited to race the AMG. Alright, y'all, we're here already at the drag strip. I'm about to set up the GoPro and everything so I can give y'all some runs. There's a lot of cars out here, so I'm excited, y'all. Alright, y'all, it's about my time to start getting in my first races in. I'm gonna give y'all a little start. As y'all see, I set up the GoPro and everything. I'm gonna give y'all some revs right now. Alright, y'all, I don't know if y'all can hear me better now, but I got this little mic now. As y'all can see, we got the GoPro. We're gonna give some revs real quick. Hit it, hit it, hit it.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
We're waiting in line right now, but I'm excited to get a racing real quick. I don't see what I'm gonna line up against yet, but I mean, hopefully something pops up right now. It's just this Audi. I'm pretty sure Scat's about to take on this AMG, so I'm gonna see what's up. Pre-game interview, first ever drag race. I'm excited, I'm nervous. It's CLA. Bro, I slipped for like 2 whole seconds right there. It's not even fair. We gotta run it back.
Not even a crybaby.
Alright, the line is moving, so we gotta start moving too. But I literally raced the last race without windows open. I didn't even know.
You stupid.
I close them right now before I forget. But I'm not gonna lie, I was so focused on that race, I can't think about nothing else. And my blood pressure up there.
Shut your lame ass up.
Y'all, look at this red eye right here. It is clean. These big old fat tires. I was actually between my C63 and not a Charger, but a Challenger Hellcat. Definitely not a red eye. I don't got that, but nah, this is crazy. Y'all can see the red eye right there. There's his Instagram, his tag. Y'all go follow him. I already see the AMG though, the 63. We only got one run in so far. They stopped the track. I'm not sure why, but we're about to get back in there. Yeah, see my baby looking clean. She is dirty though, I'm not even gonna lie. We didn't get her a car wash before we left, but it's fine. They just started up the races again. Tesla got him. Yeah, what they got racing? Alright, we're lining up for our second race. Quick care, quick care. I got the chills down and stuff. I'm a little bit more mind prepped and stuff. That first round was a little bit sloppy, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm more excited now. I think I got it down.
You sure about that?
I think I got it down.
Stop it.
They gave my receipt from the first round. I lined up against the other AMG. As y'all see, I was the winner. 6 seconds. 60 foot, 2 seconds. Reaction time, 0.9 seconds. I did low-key sleep on it. But, yeah. 0.9 seconds. I'm not sure what the second try was, but I'll show you when I get my second receipt. Chill. Yeah, about to give a couple more laps before we get out of here. They close in about an hour or so. We got a couple more set up the GoPro again. Last round, I'm not even gonna lie, disappointed in myself. Lost versus that caddy, but up next I got a red eye. If it matches up, like I'm thinking it's gonna match up. Alright, yo, we just got matched up with a red eye. Pretty nervous versus a red eye. I'm not nervous.
Wow, man. Damn.
That was nice.
You jump.
This made you look so fucking stupid.
Dang, that one was low-key. Even though you didn't win, that was one of your better runs.
I feel like that was probably my worst.
I think, okay, your start was slowest. The actual burnout, I think because your tires were warm this time.
Ready? Alright, man.
Tires are finally warm. Oh, you know what I mean? Meant to beat some ass.
I'm about to put belt to ass. Oh, we about to whip some ass. Just raced the red eye and we got smoked. It wasn't even close. It wasn't even close, but it wasn't even close. I'm gonna give y'all performance pages because low key I forgot this whole time, bro. Alright, y'all, we got an SRT Jeep in front of us. The red eye's behind us again. I'm not sure what we're gonna race, but I'm up for a rematch against the red eye again. Or against the SRT. Alright, we're gonna go against the red eye again, guys. Nervous, not even gonna lie, but it's cold out here.
You're getting your rematch?
I'm getting my rematch.
You're getting your rematch?
Seth's never handing out ass whoopings.
Damn, take it.
Anytime you're ready. That's game? That's game.
Oh.
We're the last run?
Oh, no, not get the
Alright, Dragstrip just closed. We're like the second to last people. That red eye was the last race I did that y'all just seen. I'm letting the engine cool off right now and stuff before we get on the road. Ah, dang, it's about that in there. Y'all look at the lineup of the bands real quick. You got the Lamb in the back, you got the M3s, the M4s, the R.